Okay, so this is our bullet script, and in our bullet script we have three variables. We have jet stream, which will be the particle emitter that we use for the jet stream, and then we have a bit more than three variables. We have five variables. We have the speed, which is the speed of the missile. Then we have the explosion particle emitter, which is what we want the explosion particle system to be. And then we have the jet particle emitter, which is what the jet particle system should be. Then we have our name, which is a string, and then we have our ID, which is an integer. On awake, we want to destroy the missile after 10 seconds because we don't want the missile to not hit something and then just go on forever. Then you'd wind up with a lot of lag, and so we would just destroy missiles after 10 seconds. Then we also, on the update, we changed the velocity to equal transform.4 times speed. And then when we collide with something, what we do is we set the explosion.emit equal to true, and the explosion particle system is a one-shot particle system. It also is set to auto-destruct, and so this is basically all we have to do to make an explosion. And then we set the jet.emit to false, and that will make it so that we don't see a jet stream while we're exploding. We set the speed to 0. We destroy the collider, and so that makes it so a person can't run into a missile. We then change the rigid body.velocity to equal vector3.0, and so that changes the rigid body's velocity to 0. And then we destroy the game object, which would be the missile, in 3 seconds. And then we also set the missile's mesh to not be rendered, and so we won't be able to see the missile after this.